wah in the wah. Wah in the wah. Wah in the wah in the wah in the wah in the wah.
You know I don't like you currently. You know you're the worst person on earth currently. Why did you put me in this challenge though?
That's what's gonna do it with me.
Huh?
It's gonna do it with me.
Look at the way I look. Why did you choose this outfit?
You look nice though. No, like it suits the vibe.
I look like Father Christmas, isn't it? Not Santa, but Father Christmas. I look like a traffic warden in heaven. Like I've been responsible of parking people's cars. Say, yeah, Angel Gabriel, can I have your car? Let me park it. Yeah, Tima, park this car there. What was that? And wah, and wah. What, and what. Move. Say it, Samantha.
I love you.
No, you don't love me. You did this to me. Then you say you love me. It's a lie.